So now that you know that all the product you ordered has been shipped and has been received, so you need to go to your shipping agent. I am using Skyjet. Okay, let me show you. So I'm using Skyjet. You can click on Skyjet, get yourself registered with Skyjet. So let me try to log in. So now you're going to do packing. What is packing? That means all those goods that those Chinese manufacturers they have shipped to your shipping agent. So now you're telling your shipping agent, okay, now please, all the products have arrived. Could you please pack them and ship them to Nigeria? So that is the meaning of packing. So when you come to this place, let's say you have already registered, right? When you come to this place, you are going to click on User Center down here. So you click on User Center and then you're going to log in. You can see where they say, just imagine you haven't signed up. So you're going to click here. Then you're going to sign up. Okay, so now I have my account, so I'm just gonna log in. So I've put my username and my password, and you can see it says login successful. So I'm going to click on return to previous page, or just click anywhere just to go in. And now what you're going to do is click on this human being here. I touch it, and then it's going to bring you to the profile. So this is their updated information, how much they charge. Let me see if I can make a screenshot and talk about it. Like how much they charge. Let me see if I can find it. I'll try to zoom it for you guys. Okay, so this is their updated price. Okay, when you register with them, you will know if you're shipping air cargo, how much is going to cost you. You know, you're shipping to Nigeria, is $7.6 per kg. That is why before you can ship something, you have to know, am I going to ship it through air? Am I going to ship it through sea? If it's heavy, don't ship it through air. I beg of you. If you're buying shoes, handbags, don't ship them through air shipping. I would advise you to ship it through sea and wait that 2 months for it to arrive. So Kano, this is the price. Onitsha, this is the price. And if you're doing sea shipping, so this is the price for sea shipping. The CBM, I've taught you guys how to calculate your air shipping and how to calculate your sea shipping. So just imagine, for you to do your sea shipping, you know, you have to know the length, the breadth, and the width of the product, times it, and divide it through 1 million. So whatever you get, let's say you have 0.007 or 1 or something like that. So this 0.00 anything you're going to have there, yeah, times this, okay. And before you times it, you need to do the exchange. So you have to know the dollar. I'm teaching you guys how to calculate sea shipping. I hadn't supposed to do that. It's getting more complicated. So you go and watch the video, okay? So let me finish my sentence. So you are going to say $333 times the exchange rate, which is, let's say, 720, 730. Whatever you're going to have, 200 and something thousand. So you're not going to say the 200 and something thousand times 0.00 blah 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 blah. That will give you the cost, the landing cost of that particular product. Okay, that is not the teaching now. Let's go back to the teaching. So we want to do packing, isn't it? So we remove this out of the way. So this is your dashboard. So you could see that the product, the manufacturer shipped has been received, I can see here you can do 12 12 packing, like telling them please pack my things and ship them to Nigeria. So now let's click on it. You can also see that we have goods on the way that are shipped through sea. It hasn't arrived yet, so it's still on the way. So I click on apply pack. So you could see that I am about to ship some through air shipping, about to ship some through sea. So now let me do the air first. I put many of the products under sea because I want to maximize my gain. So let's do the air shipping. So this is the air. I click it. You have to do them differently. This is sea, no, sea, no. This is air shipping. I click on it. This one is C, no, C, no, C, no, C, no, C, C. This is air shipping. I want it to be air. Remember, why did they know? Because of the address you use. Remember, when you are ordering your product, you need to specify, do you want this product to go to the address of the air shipping or sea shipping? Okay. I click on it, and the last one is air. So sometimes it's a little bit confusing. Like if I go to my 1688, let's go there, guys. I want to show you guys something. Sorry for taking you back. So if I go to my 1688, you can see here I have 17 products, and one has arrived for a long time, and they even want me to give review, right? So altogether 18. But if you go to Skyjet, you will see 12, isn't it? So you'll be wondering, oh my God, it hasn't arrived. I've done the job by clicking on this 17 here and going in one after the other to find out if the product has been shipped or not. So you can see this product now when I touch it. And then I touch, if I like, two ways. I can touch here, this van here, or I can just, click down there. So let's do the van. I click the van. So it will bring me here where I can copy my tracking number. So from here, if you translate, you could see that logistics single contains 18 goods. So it's telling you that the logistic that picked the product, that they picked the product and they picked 18 pieces. And if you count how many the goods are, you also see that it's 18. So I'm trying to let you know that it has been shipped. So if you can be able to click all of them one after the other to find out if it has been shipped or not. Okay, so I've checked all of them, they have been shipped, and I've tracked them received. So now let me explain why did I have 17 here or 18, and on Skyjet I have 12. Why is it like that? Let me try to explain that. So we're doing air shipping. Okay, so you could see here that I ordered this iPhone case and this one iPhone case, this one too, and I ordered them from one company. So it is very much possible that they will pack both of them. Sorry guys, they will pack this and this in one carton because it's from the same time I bought it and from the same company. So it now become like one, received like one carton from what? From the shipping agent. Okay. And another example is, we're doing air shipping right now. So let me go for light products. This one now. So we order this one, is going for air, and we order this one. So what is going to happen? They can pack this as one, and the shipping agent will receive it as one carton. So it will not count as one. So instead of here, it will be counting 4. 2 different phone cases, 1, 2, 2 different heads, 1, 2, 4. But Skyjet will receive it as like 2. Okay, that's why we got three air products going for air, but here you can have it like 5. So the last one going for air shipping is this one. So can you understand why I have 3 air shipping from Skyjet? Because it is possible that those heads being meshed together as one carton, the other phone cases meshed together as one carton, and this one is from different company as one carton, so it become 3. I'm trying to explain this. I don't know if you guys get it. Okay, let's come back to the teaching. Okay, so now we want to do packing. We're telling Skyjet, ship this product to Nigeria, please, or to wherever you want it. So I've selected what I want. I've selected this one for air shipping. I've selected this one is air shipping. I selected this one, air shipping. So I'm going to click on select order here. Just make sure you do not mix air to this. So just make sure this is what I'm doing. I'm doing only air right now. Okay, I'm doing only air right now, for example. I'm doing only air right now. Just want to make sure, because this is live example, and when the goods will get to Nigeria, I will still make a video and show you guys what we did. So I'm going to click on select order. And then you can see it has selected these numbers. These are numbers you will use in future to really track. And this is where it's going. This is the name, and it's going to Onitsha. Like normally my sister, she lives in Asaba, so they could, when they get to Onitsha, they can waybill it to them to Asaba, or on their way to Onitsha, they will just call them, we have gotten to Asaba, come and collect it, before they continue to Onitsha. So any one of them. Okay, so now what are we going to do? So you have to select your destination warehouse. So we select Onitsha. Shipping type. It is a general goods, right? A normal goods. Air cargo general goods. You select it. Payment method. We are going to pay when it gets to Nigeria. Okay, you select it. So now you are going to click on OK. You just click on OK. You see where they say is it tax included? Don't touch it. Don't touch anything there. Just go ahead and click on OK after selecting everything. So remember, if you are new, like new, so you need to kind of update your profile. Okay, so this place, when you click on it, you can put your name, you put where you want them to be sending your products, you put your real address. Like we put Asaba, you put your real address. But of course, when they're asking you where the product is going to be shipped, you can select Lagos, Kano, or something like that. Okay, so now we click on OK. Minimum charge 1 kg. If not up to 1 kg, we charge for 1 kg. Wow, are you guys hearing it? So for people just, oh, I want to buy just one shoe, and maybe the shoe is 0.5, so they will charge you for that 1 kg. It's good to know. Okay, so you say okay, you're satisfied with it, and then it says operation successful. Perfect. So let's return to page again. Let's click on this icon to go in. On this icon to go in. So now can you see that before it was 12, now we have 9 left. So let's click on apply to pack again. That means you have to pack the air shipping separate. You're going to pack the sea shipping separate. Okay, so I click here, and then we have sea shipping number 1. I select sea shipping number 2. I select sea cargo. I select 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You see, so I selected everything. I want them to be shipped through sea. So I click on select order. The same process, guys. My destination. You can also cross-check if you selected all by counting these numbers. So if you count them, 3, 3, 3, that is 9. So you go to destination warehouse. We want it in Onitsha. Shipment type, it is a normal good. Air cargo, general, normal good. And then we want to pay in Nigeria. When the goods arrive in Nigeria, then you pay. Okay, so you select Nigeria. And then under tax, you leave it like that, and you say okay. And then you say okay again. And it tells you operation successful. Can you say it? Operation successful. And then when you go back to the main page, you will see that you have applied for packing. Can you see packing is 0 now? That means everything you ordered, you have asked them to pack it. So they're going to pack it, and before you know what's happening, they will send you a text message, or you can be seeing it from your dashboard. Order has been shipped, order has been arrived here and is going to move to this. You are going to see everything, guys. Okay, so I'm taking you guys to a journey. Like when you go to other people's course, you can't see this. They will even show you. They will just say go to Skyjet. They will even show you how Skyjet looks like or what you need to do. But I'm doing more in depth because I go ahead and also pay for other people's courses to see what they're doing. Yesterday I was listening to somebody's course. I'm like, oh my goodness. So you need to take people on a journey because you guys are new, you don't know what is going on. So I'm trying to show you people practical example how it works. So when you watch the video and you didn't understand, please let me know. I can make a Zoom call and then we figure it out. Okay, thank you everybody for your trust and your love. I really appreciate it. Bye.